There's something quietly changing about the way elegant women dress right now, and if you're not paying attention, you might completely miss it, because it's not loud, it's not dramatic, it's not screaming for attention, but it's powerful, and it shows up in the simplest places, like the jeans you wear. Now, I know jeans feel basic, casual, everyday, something you just throw on without thinking too much about it. But what if I told you your jeans are actually one of the strongest signals of how polished or unpolished you look? What if I told you that the difference between looking effortlessly expensive and looking slightly off sometimes comes down to something as simple as the cut of your denim? And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. You'll start noticing why some women walk into a room in jeans and still look incredibly refined, while others wear expensive pieces and somehow still look unfinished. It's not about the money, it's about the choices. Elegant women don't just wear jeans, they understand them. They understand how fabric falls, how structure shapes the body, how subtle details communicate taste. And once you understand these quiet rules, everything changes. Many of these principles are actually part of what I explain in my guide, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style, where I break down how to dress for your body type, how to choose fabrics that instantly look more expensive, and how to build a wardrobe that feels refined without overthinking it. Because elegance is never about having more, it's about choosing better. So let's talk about the jean trends in 2026 that truly matter, the ones that will instantly elevate you, quietly refine your presence, and make your outfits feel intentional without trying too hard. And I want you to stay with me on this because some of these might challenge what you're used to. Number 1. Straight leg jeans are replacing everything else. Have you ever stood in front of your mirror trying on different jeans, and no matter how expensive they are, something just feels slightly off? You adjust the waistband, you pull the fabric, you turn sideways, and still it doesn't give what it's supposed to give. Now imagine this. You take off those jeans and reach for a simple, clean, straight leg pair. You put them on, and suddenly everything changes. Your posture shifts. Your legs look longer. Your outfit feels calmer. Nothing dramatic happened, but everything looks better. That's the quiet power of straight leg jeans. In 2026, they're becoming the foundation of an elegant wardrobe, not because they're trendy, but because they're balanced. They don't cling too tightly. They don't overwhelm your frame. They simply follow your natural line. And that's what makes them look expensive. Elegant women are moving away from extremes. They're no longer interested in jeans that feel restrictive or overly exaggerated. They want ease, but with structure. Straight-leg jeans give you exactly that. Now, here's where it gets deeper. The reason this works so well is not just the jeans, it's how they interact with your body. Because the same straight-leg jeans can look completely different on two women, and that's why understanding your body type is everything. This is something I go deeper into in my guide, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style, because once you understand your proportions, choosing the right jeans stops feeling like guesswork and starts feeling effortless. And when your foundation is right, everything else becomes easier. Number 2, dark wash denim is quietly dominating. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how some jeans instantly look more serious, more refined, even before you style them? That's not an accident. That's color doing its work. In 2026, dark wash denim is taking over, and not in a loud, obvious way. It's subtle, but powerful, because darker shades naturally mimic the elegance of tailored trousers. They look cleaner, more structured, more intentional. Imagine wearing a light wash jean versus a deep indigo one. The light wash feels relaxed, casual, almost playful, but the dark one? It feels composed. It feels like you thought about your outfit, even if you didn't. And that's what elegant women prioritize. They choose pieces that do the work for them. Now, here's where most people get it wrong. They think elegance requires effort, but true elegance reduces effort. When your jeans already look polished, you don't need to overstyle. You don't need to add too much. You just show up, and everything already works. Number 3, high-waisted cuts are now non-negotiable. There's a reason some outfits never look quite right, no matter how many times you try. And most of the time, the problem is not the top or the shoes, it's where your jeans sit. High-waisted jeans have become a standard in 2026, but not any high waist, the right high waist. Because when your jeans sit at the correct point on your body, something subtle happens. Your waist becomes defined, your legs appear longer, your silhouette looks balanced, and balance is everything in elegance. Now imagine the opposite, jeans sitting too low. They cut your proportions in the wrong place, they shorten your frame, they make your outfit feel incomplete, and this is why some outfits never look polished, even when everything else seems right. Elegant women pay attention to these details. They don't just ask, does this fit? They ask, where does this sit on my body? Because that one detail can change everything. Number 4, minimalist denim is replacing distressed styles. There was a time when ripped jeans felt fashionable, intentional, edgy, but in 2026, the shift is clear. The more distressed your denim looks, the less refined it feels. And this is not about rules, it's about visual clarity. When your jeans have too many tears, frays, and distractions, the eye doesn't know where to rest, and elegance thrives on calm. Imagine 2 outfits, one with heavily ripped jeans, another with clean, structured denim. Even if everything else is the same, one will always feel more elevated, because simplicity allows your presence to stand out, not the clothes, you. And this is something elegant women understand deeply. They don't need their clothes to shout, they let their presence speak. Number 5, tailored wide-leg jeans are the new power move. Now this is where things become very interesting, because wide-leg jeans are still here, but they've evolved, and if you're not careful, you might wear them the old way and miss the entire point. Let's paint a picture. You wear wide-leg jeans that are too oversized, too loose, lacking structure. They overwhelm your frame, they hide your shape, they feel unfinished. Now imagine a tailored version, same wide leg concept, but structured. It sits perfectly at your waist, it flows cleanly to the ground, it moves with intention, and suddenly you look powerful, put together, effortlessly expensive. That's the difference. It's not the style, it's the execution. And this is where many women start realizing something important. It's not about owning more clothes, it's about understanding what actually works. And this is exactly what I walk you through in A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style. From choosing the right cuts to understanding balance in your outfits, it helps you build a wardrobe that naturally elevates you without confusing it. Because once you understand the rules, you don't need to follow trends blindly anymore. You create your own standard. And that is where true elegance begins.
6. Cropped jeans are getting a refined update. Cropped jeans are still relevant, but now precision matters. It's no longer about cutting your jeans randomly or wearing awkward lengths. In 2026, the crop is intentional. It hits just above the ankle, clean, sharp, purposeful. And here's why that matters. Your jeans are no longer just jeans. They are framing your shoes. Elegant women think in layers. They think about how one piece enhances the next. So when your cropped jeans hit the right point, your footwear stands out beautifully. A sleek heel looks sharper. A minimalist sandal looks cleaner. Everything feels aligned. But when the crop is off, even slightly, it breaks the entire flow. And that's the level of detail that creates the difference. 7. Soft, premium fabrics are taking over. Let's talk about something you don't always see, but you definitely feel. The fabric. Have you ever worn jeans that felt stiff, heavy, uncomfortable? You sit down and immediately want to stand up again. You walk and you feel restricted. Now imagine the opposite. Soft denim, smooth against your skin, flexible but still structured. You move freely, you feel relaxed, and suddenly you carry yourself differently. Because elegance is not just visual, it's emotional. It's how you feel in what you wear. And in 2026, that feeling matters more than ever. Monochrome denim styling is the new luxury signal. This is one of the most underrated shifts, but once you see it, you'll start noticing it everywhere. Denim on denim, but done right, not mismatched, not chaotic, aligned. Imagine wearing dark wash jeans with a matching denim shirt or jacket. Same tone, same depth, same mood. It creates a seamless look, elongated, clean, quietly powerful. And this is what makes it feel luxurious, because it's intentional. There's no confusion in the outfit. Everything flows. And that sense of flow is what makes people look twice. 9. The less but better approach is defining everything. Now let's bring this all together, because this is the real shift. In 2026, the biggest denim trend is not a specific style, it's a mindset. Elegant women are no longer buying jeans impulsively. They are not chasing every trend. They are choosing carefully. They would rather own 3 pairs of jeans that fit perfectly than 10 that don't quite work, because they understand something most people don't. When your foundation is right, everything becomes easier. Getting dressed becomes effortless. You stop overthinking. You stop second-guessing. You simply show up, well put together. And that's what elegance really is. Not perfection, but clarity. Knowing what works for you and choosing it consistently. And once you reach that point, something shifts. You stop chasing trends, and trends start aligning with you. If you want to go deeper into this, especially understanding your body type, choosing fabrics that elevate your look, and building a wardrobe that feels intentional, my guide, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style, walks you through it in a way that makes everything click. Because once you understand the rules, you don't need to follow trends blindly anymore. You create your own standard, and that is where true elegance begins.
Guide to timeless style. You should totally buy it and use it to be elegant.